We have just arrived
in a very chilly,
very, very chilly Edgbaston Reservoir. Wow, it's been a while since we've done a cold park run. We're just heading over to the start and finish area. But yeah, let's go and get warmed up. I think it's a 2-lap course, clockwise. Exciting times because we've never done this one, and we're on our way to IKEA. That's why we're here.
Yeah, need the excuses for the meatball lunch. And Ryan thought it was our first Eve, and that's his 30 at least.
I've done Evesham, Eden, and now this, and that's why I wanted to film this one because I didn't think I had any. Look at this, there's a left and a right. It's quite annoying with like the local park runs. People who do them regularly would be like, oh, it's obvious, you just go that way. But if you're like me, hoping to be podium, it's quite a problematic issue. But I'm guessing just hug the reservoir. Yeah, I was telling Hayley, remember on this course, you've got to run the fastest line, so everyone's got to go through the puddle. Every second counts. We were thinking in the car, my PB per K is exactly 1 minute in front of Hayley's, which is kind of cool to think about.
Wow, you're like my canicross.
It might have been easier if we'd have said anybody not first time. Right, my name's Nick. Welcome to Edgbaston Reservoir. We start just there, go that away, through the gap between the cones, and then it's twice around the reservoir, finishing where the flag is there and the finish funnel will be set up there. Barcode scanning will be just to the left. It really is the simplest course. Enjoy your morning and do come back again. Thank you very much.
Okay, I think that's probably about all the instructions I've got for you. So if our timekeepers are ready, we'll get you underway in 3, 2, 1. There you go.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Yeah, I was not catching you. Oh no. Oh, I didn't do too bad, I guess. Go on, Hayley. We have just finished Edgbaston parkrun. Hayley thinks she was second in her gender. I was second overall. Jeez. Not too shabby. I'll put our positions on our faces as well as our paces.
Yeah, we both died off a bit, didn't we?
Yeah, died off in the middle, brought it back a little bit. It was a
Very
lovely
quick,
course.
I'd say. I do think this is a PB course.
It is good. There's 2 pinch points that are a bit
Yeah, you
slightly
do have to
annoying.
slow down
Hopefully
there.
you time them well. If you get them okay.
Otherwise you're in the water.
I got worried yesterday on a run because I thought I was getting ill because my heart rate was like 180 the whole time going slow, and then I put Hayley's watch on and it was half the heart rate.
Yeah.
So I think it was just a blip. Yeah, regarding the parking situation, you basically just park on roads around the reservoir, but lovely and easy. We found a space with ease.
Now's the heavenly IKEA. It's only 20 minutes away.
I declare bankruptcy!
On to our next adventure.